Teacher Tessa. We are live and ready to start whenever you are ready.
You. Grade twos, it's Wednesday today. They say Wednesday is already the middle of the week. We call it short weekend. Right, on this Wednesday, the 3rd of the 6th, 2020. Now let's get started with our maths. You had to halve the food on the plates. You had to count it, and if you the half for 4 on the first plate is 2. The answer for the second one is the half for 6 is 3. The half for the 10 strawberries is 5. And 8 bananas, the half of 8 is 4. There we have 12 sweeties, and the half of 12 is 6. 9 is the half of 18, and 10 is the half for 20. Easy, nice. Today's lesson is double up. Now, double up is the opposite of half. What happens when we halve? When we halve something, we share it. So we get less. We get fewer of the objects. But the opposite of half is double up. That means we get more. But there's one trick at double up. Look at it. It's explaining here on this worksheet. Can you see? When you double up, you double the same number. If I say double up 8, it means I must add more, 8 more. I double up the same number. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. Now we have to start again. 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that equals 16. So if we double 8, the answer will be 16. The same with 9. If we double 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see it here? You have to count on another 9. So the answer will be 18. Let's start the counting for today. We are going to count all together in twos up to 60. Can I please ask that you put your cameras off? If you see your camera is on, just put it off. Let's start our counting. Right. I'm going to give you the chart today. We are going to count, let me just see, up in twos up to 60. Are you ready? Let's start all together. It's good and it makes our voices also warming up if we count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Our first part for counting is done. We are going to count in twos again. Now we are going up a bit higher. We're going to start at 144 and end at 200. 144, here it is. Are you ready? If we skip, the next one is 46 in twos, 448, 150, 152, 154, 156. Count with me. 158, 160. 162, 164, 166, 168, 170, 172, 174, 176, 178, 180. Come on, guys, count. 192, 194, 196, 198, 200. Oh, yes. I think that's it. Next one. Let's go back. Counting back in twos. I say, I want you to count back starting at 48. Okay. Elijah, you are going to count for me backwards from 48 in twos. Are you ready? Elijah, start here. Elijah, let's try. Elijah. Okay, I can't hear. Let's try then Samke. Samke. Let me try. Are you there? Can you do it? Start at 48.
Ma'am?
Yes, yeah. Who's that?
Me, ma'am.
What's your name? Samke.
Nico.
All right. Say again.
Nico.
Nico, nice. Up you go. You're going to count back from 48 in twos.
48, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. No, wait.
Go back.
20,
Yes, 28.
26, 24, 22, 20, 80, 6, 60, not 16, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay, now let's see if I go down. All right, thanks. Now the next we're gonna count is back in twos but in tens. Oh, that is an easy one. I don't even think I need to put the chart up. Who is willingly to count backwards from 200 in tens? So
I will, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Like nice and give it a speed. 200. Okay.
190,
Yes.
180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 10, no, 20, and 10.
Voila! That was nice and we gave it a lot of speed. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, who wants to count again? Who wants to try that? Who said me? Sima? Who are you? I can't see you on the screen.
Rivoningo.
Okay, Riboningo, give it to me.
Ma'am, we are brothers.
Are you brothers? Okay, good. Now, see if you can beat your brother with speed. Okay, let's do it. We go backwards. I want the backward. You start at 200. 200.
200, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Well done. Okay, put yourself on mute now so that we can go on to the lesson, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to explain to double. As I said, to double means to take the same number and add it the same number. If you look at 5, if I say double 5, I've got 5. Now I'm going to add the same number 5. So it's like 5 plus 5, and that gives us 10. I'm explaining, so I just want you to look at the screen. All right. Now we're going to do double 6, the same. You take 6 plus another 6, and that equals 12. Now, if I say double 7, you take 7 and the same 7, another one, and that equals 14. And when we do 8, it's 8 plus 8 equals 16. And if I double 9, I take a 9 again, and that will gives me 18. Now, if I want to swap it around, if I ask you, what is the half of 12? Then you know immediately it's 6. What is the half of 14? Then we know it's 7. And the half of 16 is 8, and the half of 18 is 9. Can you see how the things are interacting here? If you can half, you just take the same half and you double it, and then you've got your answer. So we're doing double up and halves. Today we are looking specifically at double up numbers. Here is another way, the same thing, but in a different way. And we are having pictures here. And for that, I would like to put my coloring pencil on. Let me just see my color pencil here. That's my highlighter. Got it. Now I can color. It works like this. Here you have a 6 plus 6. On the blocks, you color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. The yellow ones, they are 6. Now you're going to color, you're going upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. There no more. We're going down to the second bar, and we add 2 more there to make up 6. So 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Another way to do that, you can see it. There's 1, 2 6s, 2 blocks with 6 in it. So it's 2, and now we times. 2 times 6 equals 12 as well. Now we're going to look at double 8. We move on to the next block. I'm going to color 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oops, I've colored it nicely. Can you see? These my blocks. I have to learn to color. That's my blocks. That's the 1, 8. Now we have to get another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I color this, and then you know it is 8 plus another 8 equals 16. And 2 times 8 equals 16 as well. The same with 7. I'm going to color 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the blocks I'm going to color up. Like this. And of course, then I say 7 plus 7 equals 14. And 2 times 7 equals 14 as well. The last one, I'm going to double up my 9. So I color 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's 1 left only. Then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's my number 9. So that's also 9 plus 9 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18 as well. We get on. Okay, let me just make this disappear. Get back to my pen. Next slide. Worksheet number 3. Now, worksheet number 3 is the same thing. You are going to tell me if I double 7, what is going to happen? If I double 7. what am I going to write in there? If I want to double 7, what do I do in that first two blocks? It's what plus what? Let me show you. It is 2 7, 7 plus 7. And what is 7 plus 7? If I double 7 up, then the answer is 14. Next one. 2 times 7 equals 14 as well. So we have two ways in saying this. First, you double up your 7, and then it's the same as saying 2 times 7. Can you see that we are busy with the 2 times table here? Of course. That's why we have to draw and know and learn our timetables. And for double up and half, we're using the 2 times table. Now we are going to double up 9. What do? 9 plus 9, and that equals 18. And the same is 2 times 9 equals 18 as well. Double up 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12 as well. Double up 8. There you are. 8 plus 8. Answer is 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. Same thing. Here we do the times, and at the first one we plus together. Double up 10. 10 plus 10. And that equals 20. And 2 times 10 also equals 20. Now in this worksheet, I'm going to ask you to participate again. I'm going to look at the hand that goes up, ask the name, and then I'm going to put you on mute, and then you are able to say the answer to us. What's going in this blocks? I'm not going to help here. You have to count it, and then you are going to give me the answer into these 3 blocks. Double up this one for me. Who's ready? Who is going to put a hand up first? Tandeka, how about you? Are you there today? Tandeka? Okay, Tandeka, try. Okay. Ready, Tandeka? Okay, she's not there anymore. Let me see. Okay, Samke. All right, let me do that. Okay.
Does it?
Right.
Ma'am,
Yes,
must I count this?
you count the dots. Let's do it together. Count with me. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay, then you put what in this block?
7.
Okay, now let's count these ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And we put a 7 in this block. Now, if we say double up 7, or what is 7 plus 7? What's my answer?
14.
Well done. Let me see if I think I can. Yes, 7 plus 7 equals 14. All right. I was talking to whom here?
Me, ma'am.
But who's me? What's your name?
Nico.
Miko. Okay, Miko, I think the host must have unmute you. Okay, I'm going to ask someone else now. So,
Bye, ma'am.
okay, bye then. Next one.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Okay, can you unmute yourself?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next one. Putsilu, are you there? Do you want to try the next one? Tandeka. Yes, Tandeka. Tandeka, I've lost you. Tandeka, yeah, here you are. Tandeka. Okay.
But you
Are
have
you there?
muted me.
I've muted you. Tandeka, is it you?
Is that Tandeka? It's Givo.
Okay, then give it to me. My screen doesn't show all the names. I'm sorry, my screen hasn't got enough space. I have to scroll down and I can't see. And your names appear on my screen, then I can't see the worksheet. So I apologies for
There
this.
are 8. There are
Okay,
8 in
yeah,
the first block.
8 in this one, and then in the next one also. This one is 8.
There's
You put it-
another 8.
Okay, why? How do we know it's 8 and 8? Because you've counted them. And we know when we double up, we're using the same number.
8 plus 8 is 16.
Okay, so it's 8 plus 8, and that equals 16. Thank you. Good. Let's try someone else. Okay. Who's there now? I've unmuted Seema now. Seema?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Seema, this is yours. How many do you count in this block?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. And then this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we know that 9 and 9 equals? What's 9 plus 9? Double up 9.
18.
Well done. Thank you, Seema. All right, I'm gonna... Ona. Is Ona there? Ona, you've put your hand up. Can you try? I don't see any hands here, Ona. Okay. Oh. No Monday.
Teacher Tessa,
Yeah.
please use the scroll on the right side of your participants
Yes.
bar to scroll up. You are unmuting people that doesn't have hands raised.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
should
please,
be
I
able
can-
to see the hands there then.
Okay, I've got an Elijah here. Do you see him?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right, Elijah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Elijah. Okay, let's now, what can you say? Can you count these for me, or did you count them already?
I counted them already, ma'am.
And what did you find here?
6 plus 6.
6 plus 6 and equals?
12.
12. Okay. Thank you, Elijah. Now I am on my screen. I can only see Tandeka. You had a chance already. I can. Ah. Oh, I see. I've got good from Elijah to everyone. Thank you for that. Okay, Salik. I never get Salik to speak up. What about Salik? Would you like to try the last one for us? Nomonde? I don't see a hand.
1, 10 plus 10 is 20.
10 plus 10 equals 20. Well done.
20.
20. That's well done. So now can you see this is an easy part of maths when we have to double up. And I don't know why some children are struggling with it. So double up is fairly easy if you understand it. And we did a lot of these exercises. Right now we are going to move on. All right, we move on. And what do you think is going to happen now? We are going to do some more. Double up the following numbers. Let's do this together. Then we just all say the answers, but I'm not going to put you on mute. Do we just say it together there where you are at your worksheet? We say double 6 is 6 plus, oops, is 6 plus 6, and that equals 12. Right, that's homework. Can you see? So you're going to write your
7
homework.
plus 7 is 14.
Don't tell the homework answers, please. Don't tell them. This is for everybody to try for homework. And then, of course, you must do the timetable as well. If you do this, you do this at the next block where you do times 2. You take your 7 and you times it by 2, which will give you the same answer. So this you need to take a snapshot to get it, because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you done? Good. So everybody got a picture of this. You to take your camera and take a phone and make a snapshot. And if you got that, you are ready to start your homework right away.
Let me take a picture.
Before that, we're just going to have a takeaway message, and everything around you is mathematics. Okay, did you know that? Everything around us is mathematics. And then I'll see you tomorrow. And can you remember the time? Yes, it's at 10 o'clock. So get ready, start your homework. Goodbye for